What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel where we talk about crypto and blockchain. If you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos on this channel. In here, we show you cryptocurrency gems, cryptocurrency projects that are worth looking into if you're beginning in the crypto space or if you're a seasoned crypto expert. So there's something for everyone. Today, we want to talk about yet another project, and today this is Gains Network. And Gains Network sits at a market cap of just around $60 million right now, and it's ranked 356th on CoinGecko. So why are we mentioning Gains Network? Well, we've mentioned many decentralized protocols in the past, and we've mentioned the fact that decentralization is where the financial world is definitely heading. This is because of many economical collapses. We can see many fiat currencies going down against the dollar, and a lot of bad economical news are heading our way. We've also seen many regulatory clampdowns on the likes of Tornado Cash, and we've also seen many regulatory clampdowns on many exchanges, centralized exchanges, and that meant people's assets were frozen. So in order to avoid this, you have to use decentralized protocols, and Gains Network is one of those decentralized protocols. gTrade from Gains Network is a decentralized trading platform. Leverage trade on crypto, stocks, and forex, no sign up required. So you can trade all of these things, stocks, crypto, and forex, straight from your MetaMask wallet or any other decentralized wallet that you use. What does that mean for you? Well, it means that you never rely on centralized parties. You never rely on someone to allow you to withdraw from your account if you're using centralized exchanges. And this can happen. I've heard many stories, and I've also had many of my close friends be banned from withdrawing their capital from centralized exchanges. So this is definitely the future, and decentralization is here to stay, and I think it will gain more and more traction, and especially as we enter the next bull run. I think the next bull run will be heavily dependent on decentralized protocols. This is because of the clampdowns that we've mentioned, but also people want to own their assets. And if you send assets to centralized parties, do you really own them? No, that centralized party owns them. The only way to own your assets is to use decentralized protocols. So let's talk about everything Gains Network. If you go to the statistics page on the gains.trade website, it will take you to the Dune website that shows you exactly the growth of the project in the past few months. As you can see, the trade volume has been going up. Also, the fees breakdown is going up in the same direction, up and to the right, and also the user base. So the user base is actually quite low right now, just over 6,000 unique traders. This protocol has a lot of room to grow. If you compare it to the likes of GMX, for example, that we've mentioned on our channel, I think GMX right now stands at around 80,000 traders, and that protocol also sits at, I want to say, around 400 million market cap. Therefore, I think Gains Network is definitely something that if you are looking to do your own research, you should definitely research, because there's a lot of room to grow here. If decentralization is the way to go, and if it is the future, and if we are right, then protocols like this will grow immensely. And finding something that has 60 million market cap is definitely worth looking into, especially with the growth, the healthy growth that we've seen from Gains over the past months. I think this is definitely a contender to be one of the best performing decentralized protocols in the next bull run. So the pool's EVL value is around 22 million. That's still very low compared to other projects like DYDX or GMX that we mentioned. But this is opportunity. This is growth phase. And if you do join a crypto project in the growth phase, and if it does turn out to be the heavy hitter, then you are in for a wild run if it starts to grow in the next bull run. Therefore, I would suggest, if you are looking to do your own research on Gains Network, go ahead and start with the documentation. Again, this is accessible straight from their website documentation page. It will take you to all their assets. It will explain everything on how Gains Network works, the ins and outs, and also how you can get involved even with staking. So staking allows you to gain around 70% on the GNS pool. They also have a DAI vault with the TVL of 16 million, around 12% is paid out there. And if you do provide liquidity with GNS/DAI, that will give you an APY of around 27%. The inflation of GNS is around 3.37% right now. And the staking page, as you can see, is very, very well laid out. You've got staking pools with GNS that we said, you've got GNS/DAI, and also the DAI vault. Very easy to use, very easy to manage. And if you are looking to get into their staking, I'm sure you'll definitely be fine with navigating this page. Very easy. It will ask you for approval of GNS, and then it will ask you to stake, and all you do is you confirm in your MetaMask. So I'll be definitely tracking GNS, Gains Network, over the next months. I think this one is definitely worth having in your portfolio if you are looking to build one, and this is in my portfolio. Everything that we share on this channel is what we're doing, what we're investing in, and this is one of them. So be sure to click the subscribe button, because I'll be tracking their progress and also their price as well. I mean, everyone is in the crypto for those gains, and there you go, Gains Network, 59 million market cap. Also, if you look at the max overview of their price action, you can see that they've started off around November 2021. They were also just a part of the last run, just at the end of the last run, to be honest. But considering what we've been through in the crypto space for the past year, I think their price action is very healthy. They went to the lows of around 59 cents. And right now they're sitting at $2, which is definitely the DeFi hype right now. Many people started talking about the decentralized protocols around June, July of this year, because of everything happening in the kind of grand scheme of things in the financial markets. Protocols like this started to grow. I think Gains is the one with a lot of potential and also great base for future growth. So let me know if you're into Gains Network. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. And as always, do your own research, go through the documentation, see if this is the one for you. And also, if you have any decentralized protocols that you want me to look at and that you want me to cover, then be sure to drop them in the comments section as well, because I'm on the lookout for those DeFi platforms, those real DeFi plays. This is it for today. I will see you in the next one.